What's up, everybody? It's your boy King Hussle, and yes, this is my new YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. So whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on, and hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell on all the YouTube channels. I'm talking this one right here, King Hussle, King Hussle X1M, King Hussle 2.0. King Hussle Crazy Reactions, the Hussle family, and turn motivation into means. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom in the description, all my social media links will pop up. Alright, got a lot of fake King Hussle pages out there, and y'all still writing them, falling for them, getting scammed, and then writing me saying, hey man, I just got scammed by a fake King Hussle page. That makes no sense. So please, get a FaceTime verification call or video before you send your money to anybody. Make sure you see this face. Make sure you're doing legit business and you're getting what you paid for, right? And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only. I'm not telling anybody to do anything. So let's get this thing started. So today I got another good one for y'all, man. Y'all want to get 20 G's real quick? You want 20 bands? You want $20,000? Well, I'm going to show you where you can get $20,000 with bad credit from this bank right here, from this place right here, this lender right here. One Main Financial. Yes, sir. They're giving out from $1,500 to $20,000 in personal and auto loans. But we're going to get it on the personal side. So I'm going to show you the finesse. Yeah, I'm going to show you the finesse, how you can finesse the game, how you can get $20,000 from One Main Financial with bad credit. Easy peasy, peanut butter cup. Now, let me say this first. Just because you got bad credit doesn't mean you can watch this video, get off this video, go apply for that $20,000 loan and think you're going to get approved. No, it does not work like that. You have to follow the steps. You got to make sure you're doing everything right. You got to make it look good. Your paper trail has to be good in order for you to get approved for these loans. And I'm going to show you and tell you how to do that, all right? So don't be so thirsty. Don't be so quick to jump up and do something because I'm telling you, you can get $20,000 and you so thirsty you don't follow instructions to do nothing right and you don't get approved and you get mad and start commenting on my video saying this don't work. It's because you didn't follow instructions. It's a lot of people out there that does not follow instructions. Just like when you buy something, you don't know how to put it together and it clearly gives you the instructions, but us as black people, we choose not to follow instructions, and we feel like we're going to do everything by ourselves without instructions and it never succeed. So just start following instructions. I promise you, you'll be succeeding with everything that you want to and need to, right? So first thing you need to do when it comes to this One Main Financial $20,000 is, okay, you got to understand, they want to make sure that you're going to be able to pay back this loan. They want to make sure that, okay, what else do you got going on? Like, we're not just going to loan you no $20,000. We're just not going to give you no $20,000, right? So what can, like, okay, let's see what's going on. So they're going to check your credit report. They're going to see, all the collections, all the debt on your credit and all that, right? So like I told you guys before in all the other videos, you got to finesse the game. You got to make it seem and look like you're doing something good. So you got all this bad credit and everything on your credit. You got all these collections. You need to say, okay, these banks is not going, when they see this, they're not going to like this. They're not going to lend me no money. That's why my credit bad. So let me get this out the way so I can make it look good, all right? So boom, the first thing what you're going to do is you're going to get you an Experian account. Once you get your Experian account, you're going to pay the $25 a month. Then you're going to get your 3 FICOs, right? Your Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion, right? So then you're going to freeze all 3 of those. Once you freeze all 3 of those, you're going to dispute all your collections. It takes up to 15 days to start seeing results. Once you start seeing results, you start seeing cleanups, then you're going to go add trade lines. Now, I told you guys about the sites where you can get those trade lines. You can go to creditstrong.com, get up to $42,500. Or is it? I forgot, it's like 40... Let me go check right now. It's 35, it's 35, 40, $42,500 in CCs, right? Boom. And CCs, and trade lines, right? Then it's trade line supply and it's Coast trade lines. You can get the AUs, the credit card accounts that you need to report on your credit, like their credit cards, high limit accounts, right? So boom, once you got all that going on, you want to let it marinate for a second. You just can't go add it today and then go apply for a loan tomorrow. No, you gotta let it report. So give it 32 days. All right, give it a little second. That's nothing. That's a couple weeks. Once you got it reporting, once you start seeing that improvement, that little jump, then you're gonna say, all right, let me go. Make sure you got you an LLC. But no, this ain't even a business, it's personal loan. So you're gonna say, all right. If you self-employed, you're going to go either make you some bank statements, some pay stubs, and get you the ADP payroll provider. So that's going to start generating your money, showing paper trails from pay stubs and things like that. So the bank's like, let me see your pay stubs, let me see your bank statements, or you can create your own. which I gave you the site for you if you're self-employed, where to make your own pay stubs and bank statements and things like that, W-2 forms, 1099s, Schedule C's, all that good stuff like that, right? So once you got all them documents, so now then you're gonna say, okay, I got my EIN number, my LLC. Now I keep saying that. Now I got my personal credit together. Now I got these trade lines and AU accounts on it. Now my credit is boost. I got some money trail. I got these ADP payroll providers just the person just depositing checks from me, so you just see where my money's coming from. I got a personal account with One Main Financial, so now I need to start depositing. You know what I'm saying? Doing that. Now I can apply for the $20,000, right? And once you do all that, this is where you go to apply for the $20,000. So without further ado, let's check out One Main Financial. So today we're going to talk about One Main Financial. They got the personal loans, they got the credit cards, wires, brand search, resources, all right? Personal and auto loans from 15 to 20 G's. Find out if you are pre-qualified, check for offers, all right? So we provide real lending solutions for real people. A trusted lender for more than 100 years, fixed rates and fixed payments, personalized service in about 1,400 locations. What is a personal loan? So it jots down. A personal loan is a one way to take advantage of a range of expenses life can bring your way, from debt consolidation to vacations to medical costs. A personal loan from One Main offers fixed rates and fixed payments. The rate and product you qualify for depends on various factors, including loan size, term, length, credit history, income, expenses, other financial obligations, and availability collateral, such as a vehicle. All right, so apply online. Once you have some financial, employment, personal info, you'll get a quick response on your loan request. So that's all they need. Upon approval, we'll discuss your options and verify things like identity, income, expenses, and other any needed collateral on the phone, online, or at the branch. Sign and get your money. After your review and accept your loan, you'll sign loan documents and receive the money. It's that easy, all right? So it's nothing too hard. It's nothing out that ordinary. It's nothing like, you know what I'm saying? But then they do that. They got some nice little credit cards. For sure, they got the credit card that grows with you. Others only look at the history. We also focus on the future. That's why we're happy to introduce the card that grows alongside you. Pay on time and upgrade to a Brightway Plus card with no annual fee. All right, so rewarding milestones would be 6 payments away. So then they got the track your progress and Brightway app. Easily track your spending, payment progress, and milestones in the Brightway app. We'll meet you where you are. For more than 100 years, One Main Financial has helped people get the money they need. That commitment continues with the new Brightway credit card. All right, so still building credit, more established credit. So they got credit limit up to $1,000, $3,000. Annual fee up to $65, no annual fee. Purchase APR 29.74, unlimited cash back, 1%, 1%. Milestones qualify for rewards like a credit limit increase or APR decrease. In as little as 6 months, qualify for rewards like a credit limit increase or APR decrease. In as little as 6 months, graduate to a Brightway card when you achieve 4 milestones events. All right, so you can upgrade. So these are some frequent asked questions that the people have been asking. So check out One Main Financial for your credit card for your quick $20,000. All you gotta do is follow the instructions I gave you in the beginning of the video. So common uses for personal loan, debt consolidation, life events, recreation, auto loans, home projects, how it works, range from 15 to 20,000. You may be offered a secured or unsecured loan. A secured loan requires you to provide collateral such as a motor vehicle, while an unsecured loan doesn't require any collateral at all. Your terms vary based on personal information like credit history, income, expenses, debt, all that good stuff like that. As an example, if you borrow $6,000 at a $24.99 APR in a 60-month term, your payments would be $176.07 per month. This example is based on an average customer with good credit. Get an idea estimated monthly payments for different loan amounts with your personal loan calculator. All right, so just check them out, man. One Main Financial get you 20,000. Follow instructions I gave you in the beginning of the video, and I promise you'll be successful. All right, so this won't affect your credit score. So without further ado, let's talk about One Main Financial and how you can get your $20,000. So let's talk about it. One main financial, get out them quick dubs and them quick credit cards. Bad credit, easily approved if you follow them instructions, if you know how to finesse the game, if you do what I told you to do, get the Experian account, freeze your credit, add them trade lines, and you'll be good to go. Get them 10-day trade lines added to hurry up and boost so you can get that cash. All right, so make sure y'all really tapping in, man. Make sure y'all really following instructions. Make sure y'all really doing what I told y'all to do in the beginning of the video, because like I said, if you do, it'd be easy for you to finesse these loans and get approved for these loans and to do whatever you need to do. And it's up to you to either pay back them loans or, hey, whatever you want to do with the money, that's on you. But you do know you got to pay back loans, all right? So, but you pay back loans, they give you a bigger loan the next time, right? So, let's start focusing on our credit. Let's start building our credit, because credit is the #1 money game in the world. If you got good credit, you can get anything that you want, from cars, homes, and money. Credit cards, lines of credit, you can have it all. As long as you really structuring your credit score in the right way, why you never show? Long as you structure your credit score in the right way, long as you do things the right way, I promise you, you will be successful. You will be approved. You will do what you need to do, all right? So make sure y'all really tapping in on your credit, man. Make sure y'all really focusing on what's important, man, because I promise you, if you get your credit together, you would jump ahead of a lot of people who still playing around, lollygagging, not focusing on their credit, still in the same position, complaining about why they broke every day, complaining about working the same jobs. You will be ahead of the game, all right? So tap in with the credit, all right? So anybody out there looking to get their credit lessons, you want to learn how to build your credit, clean your credit, get it together, credit cards, lines of credit, all that good stuff. I got a flash sale right now, $300, so don't tap out for the rest of the week. $300, cash out with Bitcoin payments, so make sure you tap in with the credit lessons. Also, if you're looking to get your basic lessons, you want to learn any one topic basic lesson, cash app which is not included, it's going to be $500, all right? So make sure you're tapping in on that. FaceTime 101s, cash app with Bitcoin payment. Also, if you're looking to get your unlimited gems, FaceTime 101 is going to be $1,200 cash over Bitcoin payment. You already know everything that you need to know. All right. Also, if you're looking to get your mentorship, you want to look at your mentorship, you want me to mentor you, start helping you get money, make money with me, it's going to be $2,500. All right. You're going to get all the limited gems. You're going to learn about the DW, and we're going to make money together with this YouTube automation channels. All right. We're going to create a channel, and we're going to grow it, build it, and make this cash while we sit on there. Y'all already know how that go down, so make sure y'all tapping in with the mentorships. Also, tap in with the crypto tour, in-person limited gems. $4,500 out of state, $3,500 in state. All right, so if I gotta go out of state to you, it's gonna be $4,500. If you come in state to me, it's gonna be $3,500. Easy as that. $500 deposit. The rest of the money when we meet in person. All right, so make sure y'all locking in on that. Still look for people for the production company: actors, rappers, models, producers, cameraman, all that good stuff like that. Music reviews is $200. Still looking for models. Any beautiful ladies out there ready to grow their brand, their platform, get their face out there, start making some money, traveling, having fun, trying new things, tap in. Make sure you got a good attitude. You can't be corrected, you can't be directed. I'm not saying I know everything, but I know a little bit about a lot. I know a little bit with this entertainment business, and you know what I'm saying? So if I can help you do some things that you haven't done before, just sit back, relax, and let's get it popping, all right? Also, if you're ready to get your chain, your watch, start making money with your music, tap in. Music reviews is $200. If you don't got $200 to invest in yourself, why should I invest $200,000 into you and your career? All right, so make it make sense. Also, cameraman out there, you got a good camera, tap in. 4K or better, good editing effects. You can travel, tap in. What else we got? Also, you're looking to tap in with the Cash App glitch, tap in. $250 Cash App with Bitcoin payment. You can get the Cash App glitch. You're going to get the how to make 10K a week all profit method. And you'll get the one free full for $250 Cash App with Bitcoin payment. All right. Once the $250 is on your Cash App or Bitcoin balance, send me the screenshot on my Telegram. My Telegram link is in my community post and in every video in the description. So all you gotta do is click the title on the video, scroll down, you'll see my Telegram. Click that and you'll find it. Easy peasy peanut butter cup. Or go to my community post, all right? Send me your screenshot of the $250 on your balance and let's get to work. Don't miss out, all right? And y'all already know how I get down to the end of these videos. I'll see you at the next. Peace.